The first one is pandesal. Pandesal is the most popular style of bread in the Philippines. The name comes from the Spanish word meaning salt bread, and it originated during the 16th century era of Spanish colonization in the Philippines. Pandesal is known for its pillowy texture and signature breadcrumbs on top. The bread is subtly sweet and the crust has light golden brown color with a slight crunch. The second one is ensaymada. Ensaymada is a sweet Filipino bread known for its softness and scroll-like appearance. Ensaymada was introduced to the Philippines by Spain. Source supplied in the Philippines, people often enjoy ensaymada pastries lathered with butter and dipped in sugar. Ensaymada is actually Spanish in origin, in Mahorcan to be exact, and was most likely introduced to Filipino during the Spanish colonial period. The third one is pan de coco. Pan de coco is a soft bread roll stuffed with sweetened grated coconut meat. It's a popular Filipino snack sold in the most local panaderias or bakeries. Although the bread enjoys an iconic status in our food culture, Filipinos cannot claim the monopoly of pan de coco or even its origin. The name itself denotes that it is of Spanish roots. It came from Central America, Honduras, to be exact, and was introduced to the early Filipinos by the Spanish settlers in 1600. However, the Honduran version does not include a filling but instead incorporates the coconut flakes in the dough itself. It's not sweet as Filipinos counterpart, and very similar in taste to the pan de coco version that is also popular in the Caribbean. So in a way, this version of filled pan de coco is 100% Filipino. So that's all. That was just 3 of many delicious and famous bread in the Philippines. Filipinos like to eat it since it is good for having breakfast or in meriendas because it is a easy source of energy. That's all. Thank you for watching.